Taylor Wimpey shares. I've decided to invest in these with the news that just came out that stamp duty on house purchases is going to be suspended for a year. That means if you buy a house, you don't have to pay a certain tax, and that can be up to £12,500 you would save. So this will obviously stimulate the housing market, and I'm going to invest in Taylor Wimpey, who build new houses throughout the country. I've done a bit of research. The PE ratio, the price to earnings ratio, is the number of years it will take the earnings of the company to cover the share price. That is, I'll just find that for you, 6.83. I've done the billionaire test. That's how many years of profit the company makes to cover the value of the company. It's the market cap divided by the net income, and this equates to 5.976. So that'll take just under 6 years of profit to pay for the value of the company. Yes, and the share price at the moment is 143.75, and it has been as high as I'll just quickly look. I think it was as high as 236. So there's a lot of room for it to go. So it's 100% difference nearly. So I'm going to buy some shares in Taylor Wimpey. That's the reasons why I've made this decision today. So we go to buy. I'm going to go to number of shares. I'm going to invest £50, which equates to, where we go, 34. I'll go to 35 shares. 35 shares is £50.56, and I'm going to review the order. It's a market buy, 35 shares, total of £50.56. That's a buy order, as the London Stock Exchange is closed until tomorrow morning. The time now is 8:13. The stock exchange will open tomorrow at 8 o'clock, and the order will be executed then. Send by order, and the order is now being sent. I will put a stop loss on, so if the shares do drop a certain value, they'll automatically be sold to protect the amount of money I can lose. And I might put a selling price on as well, so when I come to sell the shares, they'll automatically be sold once they reach a certain figure. But I'll do a bit more analysis on that one perhaps tomorrow, and I'll apply those tomorrow. But you always must apply a stop loss whatever happens. That protects the amount of money you can lose. It's best to lose a little than a lot, and you're not always watching your shares. So one bit of advice I think you must take. I don't normally give advice. I don't give any advice. You just watch what I do and make your own mind up. So until next time, I bid you a good evening.